Hello guys, welcome to my what I ordered versus what I got Temu unboxing and review vlog video. Let's start the unpacking. So guys, in this what I ordered versus what I got vlog video featuring these Temu items, I am going to be showing you in this unboxing and review, you guys, some home decor DIY accessory items. If you follow the channel, you know I do create a vast amount of DIYs. So I ordered items to help jazz up some more DIYs as well. And I received my package here, and it's an extremely large package. I did open the box and separate the pieces because you're going to get this Temu video on three, because I'm doing 3 different types of products. So with that being said, I'm going to open up the box. And once again, you guys, I will tell you, I did find that their box was packaged very, very well. And make sure you do check out my discount code for ordering down in my description. Click on that link, and I promise you, they started their slogan, "Shop like a billionaire." I promise you guys, you would love this site. So make sure you click that link. I'm also going to drop the link for each item that you do see he featured in this video. Make sure you check on all of these Temu videos that you're going to see me unpacking, you guys, in the next couple of days. Guys, I've unpackaged all of my items, and once again, everything does come in your Temu bags. So I unpackaged them so it can be easy for you to see, and I pulled the plastic off of every. Now I did pick up a couple items. I picked up 3 packs of these, and they're just your glow in your dark lights, you guys. And they do come in pink, green, and blue. And this is the project for TT's room, because we're getting ready to overhaul her space. But you got your blue, your pink, and your green. And once again, they're glow in the dark. And they do come with the self-adhesive tag to stick on there for it to stick on your wall, your ceiling. I also picked up some glue off of their website, and this is their glue, and it's B7000. It's still waterproof, resistant as well, and you use this as you would use your E6000. So what I wanted to do, I wanted to try it out to see if it was just as great as the E6000. So I ordered that larger and that smaller too. Those links are down in my description as well. Now we did order, and here I do have 2 of these 8-row strips. And you guys, this is the same thing you see me order and use on my projects all the time. I will tell you, I have tested out one of the sheets, and I'm going to tell you, I did like the quality. It did stick very, very well, but he did get 2 of those. So we have that one and that one. Then I also ordered a 10-row as well. Still, once again, same great quality, you guys. Self-adhesive. And these was considered silver, because you do buy this looking silver and clear, but this is the silver color. And I did get the 12-row, and I got 2 of these, and this is that AB look. You guys, I'm loving the AB, and you're going to see some projects that I'm going to be doing for Mama Dukes with the AB look. that is 2 of those as well. Now on to the more fun part. Now, I'm going to do this sheet first. I have used this as well. And if you know you order any of these sheets, all of them have that sticky adhesive on it. I just pulled this one off and I pulled one off for each one. But once again, self-adhesive. And that's just this clear, sparkly diamond rhinestone. This is your standard sheet. Now I will tell you guys, I was amazed at the prices. This is one of my favorite items that I do like to use. And typically when I order it, I pay anywhere from $9 to $15 for a sheet like this. And you guys, this sheet was only, if I'm not mistaken, this one was $3.38. So I can get 3 compared to what I would pay for one. So you know we do have another order coming in. And here you guys, I'm just taking this diamond bling wrap I did get from Temu and I'm adding it to a vase. And I do want you to know, you guys, this diamond wrap was superbly sticky. And I want to tell you, I actually like this material better than what I normally do order from Amazon, you guys. So do make sure you click that link and snag you some of these amazing crafting supplies. And as you see here, we just took this bling wrap and totally dressed up this vase. And you guys, this diamond bling wrap is same great quality with a better price. So make sure you get some of this very affordable bling wrap from Temu. And this is what that vase looks like. I promise you crafters, you will love these supplies. I liked, and I did get 2 of these, and it was actually, I ordered 2 of these as well. We have 2 of these, and again, self-adhesive, you guys. Self-adhesive. Because this is the thin, there it goes. You see? Self-adhesive, you guys. See? So, like I say, very sticky. But look, this is just like that mosaic tile, just in a sheet form. And for all you beginning crafters, I would tell you, I definitely would recommend this for as a replacement for your regular glass mosaic tile. Not just for a beginner, but especially for beginners. So it would actually alleviate all of the hand cutting. But you guys, this piece is gorgeous. Mirror mosaic tile. It gives me a crocodile print look as well. But you're going to be seeing these pieces coming on some projects very soon. Once again, check that link down in the description. Then our next item is, and we do have 3 of these, and this is the AB. Still self-adhesive. And again, very tacky. But this is the AB to be coupled with that AB. And once again, you're going to see another project with these. And I may just pop this on something for you very quick for you to see how it looks. But this is a full project coming from Mama Dukes, and we do have 3 of those. Then we have the infamous black. We do have 2 sheets of those. I pulled everything off of this. And once again, self-adhesive. If you want quick and easy projects, consider items like this. Self-adhesive. And look at that black. And this is for a project for my niece. So we do have that. Now last but not least, you guys, we do have, I got the roll of, this is the crushed diamond epoxy hot fix sheets. Self-adhesive as well. And you see it's the roll, and I do know this roll was $23. But when I unrolled it, you guys, and this is, typically when I order these sheets, they're $15 a piece, and it is about this length. So for $22, I end up getting, it was a total of like 3.5, you guys, of the sheets. Well, no, four whole sheets for $22 and some change. But once again, look at how fabulous, and I mean fabulous, and sparkly that is. You guys, I was very satisfied with the quality of all of the items that I did order as well. Again, make sure you check that link down in the description to snag you some fabulous, fabulous, fabulous items. Once again, this is self-adhesive. When you take this apart, this is your adhesive sheet. And I don't want to pull this apart, but this is self-adhesive as well. And look at that. Make sure you do go over and check out Temu and just see what they have for all you crafters out there and you DIYers. You would have an amazing time shopping their site. All of their information is down in my description. Thank you, Temu, for reaching out to me for this sponsored review. And once again, guys, these are my items. Make sure you stay tuned and come back, because we will be bringing you a home decor Temu review and a kitchen gadget review as well. But this is all of my crafting items. Make sure you do check that link in the description box. And once again, if you're not a family member of Glam Queen of DIY, hit that subscribe button. Tap that bell twice. It turns blue, and you know every time that we are uploading a video. We do upload on Sundays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. We upload on other days as well. It's part of collaboration and bonuses. And now, we've been rocking with your girl for a while. You know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone. Stay blessed and always stay positive.